Did you know that Gucci is going to pay you up to $20,000 a month to work from home? And the best part is, it's free to set up. You don't have to show your face, and it's really easy to start. I'm going to show you how. Let's go. Type Beartech Affiliate Program and click right here. Scroll down, click on Affiliate Program, and then just follow the steps. Beartech is going to pay you to promote their products. So once you find a product that you like, head over to Pinterest and create a pin. Now you can enter the information of the product, for example, an image, give it a title, add some information, and of course down here is where you want to enter your affiliate link. This is how you're going to get paid. So you can do this over and over again as much as you want. And when they buy through your affiliate link, Farfetch is going to give you a commission. This is called affiliate marketing, and this is what normal people are doing to be able to quit their 9-to-5s that they don't like and be able to work from home. If this is something that interests you, and if you want to get the proper training, comment start and I'll get you the free training that'll get you on your way. Talk to you soon.